Well, it's the Ramen Noodle coming at you again, and I'm making another loaf of bread, but this time it's with the stuff that was for Review 4000. Review 4000! Yeah, this is Peyoung Yakisoba. It's from Japan, thanks to the folks over at Sugoimart, SUGOIMART.com. And they sent it over for me for free, and it was really kind of them. Look at that. That is a freaking trough of yakisoba. That's like institutional size catering monstrosity of yakisoba. So anyways, I'm gonna load in the ingredients. I'll make a bread. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. That one. Well, the bread's done. I'm hopeful that it worked out well. Oh my God.